Hi, welcome. Here's how to rename your presentation on Decktopus. When you create a presentation, Decktopus automatically gives it a name based on your topic prompt, but you can change it anytime. So here's how to do it. You can do it in two ways. First, you can do it from your dashboard. Let's say I want to change the name of this presentation, so I'm just clicking three dots in here and click on rename. And I want to just to be Nike's journey from, or let's say Nike's journey. So I click on it, rename, and voila. Or you can go to the editor, and from here you can see the name of the presentation from here. And I just want it to be tattoo culture, and click on anywhere else. That's it. Link in the caption. What are you waiting for?